I don't know how long it's going to last, but right now, a lot of people are still working at home. And a lot of people are also enjoying working out at home. Even if they only have 5, 10, 15 minutes to fit in a workout, these are things that you can do anywhere around your house. So welcome to my master class. It's not an indication of the difficulty level. It's actually because I'm coming to you from my master bedroom, just to show you how easy it is even before you leave the bedroom to fit in a workout. 5, 10 minutes at a time or in a day, you'll see a difference very quickly. So I want to show you a few moves that are a little bit different. All you're going to need is a hand weight, and you choose the weight that's comfortable for you. 2, 3, 4, 5 pounds. You're not using it in your arms because today we're going to concentrate on the lower half, the legs and the buns. And the other thing you need is a counter. I'm in the master bedroom. I happen to have a bureau in my bedroom. Maybe you do too. So then you're ready to go. Okay, let me show you something that you can do at any time. And even when you're brushing your teeth, you can do these moves if you have a weight nearby. The truth is, you don't even have to have a weight to do it. You'll still get the benefit. But if you do have a weight, grab it now, and you'll hold it in the outside hand from the counter, all right? At the same time, I want you to take the outside leg back from the counter. Go down into a 90 degrees and then come up. Both legs, 90-degree angle, and come up. Let that weight kind of guide you, pull you down towards the floor. And every time you come up, I want you to squeeze those abs and those buns, okay? Good. Now, next time you come up, right here, lift it in the back, your leg, yes, and bend, and lift, and bend, and lift. Easy to do, but very effective. Down and up, 2 and 1. Come on up. Now put that weight in the little crook of your knee. Remember, outside leg, flex that foot. Those legs are parallel, and we're going out to the side, out and down. And out and down. Good. Stay in control and squeeze that weight. You have to use your calf muscles and your hamstrings in order to keep that weight in place. Keep going. Out and down and out and down. Now bring that leg up and push it to the back wall. Yes. Just push and push. Keep squeezing. Push and push. Feeling it in that outside glute? I'm sure you are. That means you're doing it right. And push. Push, push, hold it up there. Now lift it. Just little pulses to the ceiling. Good. Up, 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 and down. Let's move over to the other side. Outside leg goes back. Come on down 90 degrees and up. 90 degrees and up. Good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now come down and lift it in the back. Up and down and lift. Down and lift. Keep those hips square. Don't turn out that outside hip. Down and up and down and up. The weight behind your knee. Flex that foot. Zip up those abs and down and out to the side. Straight out. Hips are square. Shoulders are facing forward. Keep squeezing and out and down and out and down. Gotta concentrate, don't you? And that's all you need to get your day going. This is Get Fit with Judy. I look forward to seeing you again soon.